Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how you can add collaboration in Instagram post after posting it. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you need to log in into your Instagram account. So after you're logged into your account from the home page itself, you need to click on the plus icon located in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on the picture, next interface will be directed to your gallery page or the photos, and from there you need to select the picture which you want to upload it to your Instagram post. After you're done selecting the post, after that you can change the resolution of the picture. Tap on next in the top right. On next, you will be directed to this kind of interface, and after that you'll be directed to the page where you can add caption to your picture, or you can just tag people. So in order to add collaboration, you need to tap on tag people. As you tap on tag people, next page you'll have two different options, that is add tag and invite collaborator. In case you want to tag friends and family on your Instagram, then tap on add tag, and after that you can mention people on your post. And in order to collaborate, you need to tap on invite collaborator, and after that you need to search for the person that you want to invite or that you want to collaborate with. So type in their name, and you can at least add 20 of them at one time. And after you're done, you need to tap on next. After you're done inviting the collaborator, tap on done in the top right. So after that, the collaborator will be receiving this kind of invitation. So in case if they approve your request or accept the request, after that the author's name will be listed on top of your post stating that the invitation has been accepted, and along with that you've added collaborator to your Instagram post after posting it. So that is how you can add collaborator on Instagram. That is all for this video. If the video was helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.